Elizabeth II Charles, Prince of Wales Elizabeth II Boris Johnson Dominic Raab Elizabeth II the Lord McFall of Alcluith, Sir Lindsay Hoyle Sir Keir Starmer Supreme Court the Lord Reid the Lord Hodge the Secretary of State for Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Affairs, commonly known as the Foreign Secretary, is a senior minister of the Crown within the Government of the United Kingdom, and head of the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. As one of the four great offices of state, the Foreign Secretary is a senior member of the British Cabinet. The current Secretary of State for Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Affairs is Dominic Raab, MP, since his appointment by Prime Minister Boris Johnson in July 2019. Corresponding to what is generally known as a foreign minister in many other countries. The Foreign Secretary's remit includes: the official residence of the Foreign Secretary is 1 Carlton Gardens, in London. The Foreign Secretary also has the use of Chevening House, a country house in Kent, South East England. The Foreign Secretary works out of the Foreign Office in Whitehall. The title Secretary of State in the Government of England dates back to the early 17th century. The position of Secretary of State for Foreign Affairs was created in the British governmental reorganisation of 1782, in which the Northern and Southern departments became the Foreign Office and Home Office, respectively. Eventually, the position of Secretary of State for Foreign and Commonwealth Affairs came into existence in 1968, with the merger of the functions of Secretary of State for Foreign Affairs and Secretary of State for Commonwealth Affairs into a single Department of State. The India Office was a constituent predecessor department of the Foreign Office, as were the Colonial Office and the Dominions Office. Margaret Beckett, appointed in 2006 by Tony Blair, is the only woman to have held the post. The post of Secretary of State for Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Affairs was created in 2020 when position holder Dominic Raab absorbed the responsibilities of the Secretary of State for International Development, post created through the merger of the Foreign Office and the Commonwealth Office, post created through the merger of the Foreign and Commonwealth Office and the Department for International Development. Prime Minister Boris Johnson, Chancellor of the Exchequer Rishi Sunak, Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab, Home Secretary Priti Patel.